In this video we're going to be talking about the top 5 music stands, so get comfortable and let's dive in. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. When it comes to musical performances, having the right equipment can make all the difference. That's why we recommend the VanGoa Folding Sheet Music Stand. This stand is not your average music stand, it's flexible and adjustable, allowing you to customize it to your preferred height and angle for optimal comfort whether you're sitting or standing. The sturdy metal tripod support legs with non-slip rubber caps ensure stability at any height, while the vented tray can hold any kind of music sheet securely in place. What sets this music stand apart is its fully foldable design, making it easy to store and transport in the included carrying bag. Whether you're a student, musician in an orchestra, choir member, or church band performer, this music stand is a versatile and essential tool for your musical journey. Get your hands on the VanGoa Folding Sheet Music Stand today and elevate your instrumental performances to the next level. Looking for a versatile and portable music stand? The Chohaya Foldable Sheet Music Stand with Trifold Panel is a top pick for musicians on the go. Its unique trifold panel design sets it apart, making it easy to transport after folding to a compact size. Adjustable in height from 31 to 56 inches, this stand is perfect for players of all ages, whether sitting or standing. The sturdy tripod base with rubber-coated feet provides a stable foundation, while the tray can hold up to 10 pounds and tilt up to 180 degrees for optimal viewing. From sheet music to tablets and laptops, this stand is versatile for various instruments. With easy assembly and disassembly, this music stand is your go-to for rehearsals, performances, and practice sessions. Jackson from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "I bought this music stand because it folds nicely in 3, has a carry-on case included and is easy to mount. Great value." Looking for a sturdy and versatile iPad holder for your microphone stand? Check out the EliteHood Aluminum Mic Stand iPad Holder. Constructed with heavy-duty aluminum, this holder is compatible with a wide range of devices from iPads to iPhones, ensuring a secure and reliable fit. With its adjustable design, you can easily position your device at any angle on your microphone stand, boom stand, or music stand for hands-free use during concerts, meetings, or choir classes. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic holders and upgrade to the durable EliteHood Aluminum Mic Stand iPad Holder for a hassle-free and enjoyable music experience. Nick from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "Constructed of mostly metal and very well made. Does the job." Jasmine from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Very sturdy iPad holder. Better than the plastic ones I have had before." Looking for a convenient and easy way to mount your tablet or smartphone on a mic stand? The Mookie Tablet Holder is the solution you've been searching for. With its easy installation process and innovative design, this holder is compatible with a wide range of tablets and smartphones, making it versatile and practical. The durable adjustable features allow for multi-angle display and distance adjustment, ensuring optimal visibility. Plus, with a 12-month warranty guaranteeing your rights, you can rest assured knowing that any quality issues will be promptly addressed. Enhance your music, presentations, or performances with the Mookie Tablet Holder today. Christina from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Quality build. Stands up to musicians every day." Jameson from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "I purchased this in July 23, and here it is, 5 months later it's still working well, holds my iPad firmly in amp, doesn't slip or slide." Looking for a reliable and sturdy music stand for your instrumental performances or band practices? The Vecchia Music Stand Deluxe is here to meet all your needs. With its adjustable height ranging from 32 to 56 inches, you can easily customize it to your preferred level. The stand is constructed with thick metals and a unique anti-rust coating, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance for long-lasting use. Its tray can tilt 180 degrees, offering maximum flexibility for different playing scenarios and angles. Quick assembly and easy storage with the included carrying bag make it perfect for travel, school, bands, or home use. And not to worry, we stand by the quality of our product with a guarantee and provide customer service responses within 24 hours for a worry-free experience. Get your hands on the Vecchia Music Stand Deluxe today and elevate your musical experiences to the next level. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.